Did you know that? Shih Tzu are well known for having lively, joyful dispositions, a characteristic long flowing coat, a flat face, and expressive eyes. They are gregarious and energetic. Shih Tzu typically get along with people of all ages and with other animals of various sorts. While snippy Shih Tzus are rare, most of them make excellent lapdogs. While opinions on Shih Tzu's intellect vary, most people concur that they are generally competent problem solvers. Thank you for watching. Shout out Witty Bonita. Happy day.